Ever worried about your phone disturbing people in the cinema? Let me show you how to use theater mode on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick setting panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen, tap Mode and Routine. In the Mode section, tap Theater, tap Turn on manually. Now, choose how long you want theater mode to stay on until I turn it off. If you want this mode to stay active until you disable it, ask every time. If you want your phone to ask you for the duration each time, or certain hours and minutes. If you want your phone to automatically turn off this mode after the set time. For example, let's set it to 2 hours. So that this mode will keep the phone silent and screen dim during the whole movie, then turn off automatically afterward. Once you turn this mode on, all the default or customized setting inside theater mode will apply until the duration ends. This way you can watch a movie without worrying about bothering anyone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.